That's my bike check. My 2011 Kink XL. Had it for about a year now, and still pretty damn good. Alright, let's start from the back. Yes. Favorite tire ever, Animal GLH, 110 PSI. Hurt your balls when you land. Mission React set. KMC X7 blue chain. Kink seat. Odyssey clear, simple by 4. Alright, Eastern modified colors. Screws in for dirt, because I ride dirt. And kink, 25 tooth, whatever the hell, stock, chainmail thing. Yeah, kink seat. White Odyssey linear cable. Odyssey bitches. Kink tower bars. Red OEI long necks. Mission cranks. Not that bad actually. A lot of people said it's horrible. I don't know why. Mission React stem. Recipe Steve Jobs. He was my nigger. Kink Volte forks. Mission hub. Flag. Alienation PBR. And Kenda contact. Tourette's. Boobies. Okay. Alright, well that's my bike check. And hubs and hub. Dude, it's bitch. Alright, this is my bike check. 2011 Kink XL. Bitches.